Whoa, a new projector in the house. Hey guys, Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. A lot of people keep looking to buy projectors, right? Because at some or the other point, you would love to have that home theater sort of feel at your place. And let me tell you, you people came to the right video. Today in the house, we have a brand new projector and this one is very interesting, huh? It's Zebronics brand new Pixaplay 17 just launched in the Indian market and offers some pretty crazy features at a reasonable price tag. It's a native 1080p resolution smart Android projector. That means you're getting Google Play Store, YouTube, Amazon Prime Video, Netflix. All of these are available like out of the box. And apart from that, it's got autofocus function. That means you don't need to manually focus anything. Everything is done by the projector only, like hassle-free experience. You're also getting auto keystone correction, and main thing is the built-in speakers on it are like Dolby audio certified. You're getting Dolby audio experience, guys. Full entertainment package is what I can say. So I'm like pretty excited to see what this product is capable of. And without wasting any more time, let's get started with the video. So our brand new Zebronics Pixaplay 17 projector comes in this sort of box. It's a very heavy box, guys. You got the Zebronics logo, Pixaplay 17 mentioned here. And as I've told you, main highlights are it's got Dolby audio support, autofocus is also there. It's got like native 1080p resolution, and on top of that, it's a smart projector. You're getting Android operating system on board. At the back as well, you have some of its main highlights mentioned over here. It's ceiling mountable. You get like a remote control to operate, and on top of that has like built-in speakers also. Plus, you're also getting a free backpack on the inside. And that is pretty much it. Without wasting any more time, let's get started with the unboxing. So as soon as you take it out, there you go, boys. The projector comes nicely packed in this carry bag. Look at this. Very nice quality bag, I'd say, a grey sort of fabric finished bag. You've got the Zebronics logo over here and also mentions the projector's model over here. Good quality, I'd say. Stitching, everything is pretty nice. Easy to carry the projector anywhere you go. Let me just quickly open this and finally show you the product that we've been waiting for. Whoa, looks like there's a lot of stuff over here, which includes a remote control for the projector, compact, portable and good quality, I'd say. And along with that, you get some cables as well. There's a mains cord and also a free HDMI cable for the projector. And lastly, there's a tiny user manual, paperwork and some cleaning toolkit as well to clean the projector. Just make sure to read the instructions for this. And that is pretty much it. Now let's finally check out the projector we've been waiting for. Zebronics all new Pixaplay 17 that even supports Dolby audio, guys. Oh wow, look at the whole design, entire white sort of finish with black accents here and there, and looks quite premium actually for the price point. Good build quality, very heavy in the hand. You've got the Dolby audio branding over here, model mentioned as well. Couple of controls at the top, guys. You can even control it using these buttons. There's a cursor key to navigate through the UI, a back button and a power on button. Quality of the buttons is also very good, feel clicky and tactile. Now going to the front side, this is how the front panel looks like. You've got the Zebronics logo and you see these sensors on the right side. These are your autofocus sensors, I believe. So there is no need to, manually focus the lens on this projector. Very convenient, I'd say. Let me just remove the lens cap and show you how the lens looks like. So good quality lens. Look at the coating on it. Very nice quality, and there's no manual adjustment ring. As I've told you, everything is like automatic. Autofocus is available. On the left, you've got a couple of air vents, maybe to keep it running cool, and also has some cutouts for built-in speakers. At the back, you've got a mains cord port, power switch is also available, connectivity ports at the top, which includes a 3.5mm aux port. 2 HDMI ports are available. 2 USB ports are also there, so you can even connect your pen drives or maybe any sort of storage device. And lastly, you've got an IR sensor for the remote. That's it. These are all the available connectivity ports. And on the other side, as I've told you guys, cutouts for the speaker and also some vents to keep it running cool. And here's how the bottom panel looks like. Got rubber feet on all the corners. And as I've told you, this projector is also ceiling mountable. Hence, you've got all these mounts on the bottom side. So that's it, our complete overview on the design and build quality part. So what I'll do is I'll quickly set it up, use it for a couple of days, and then be right back to share my experience on this model. So guys, I'm back to continue the video. I've been using Zebronics Pixaplay 17 for the last couple of days, almost like 7 to 8 days, and there's a lot I have to talk about. I'll be sharing my complete experience and feedback on this model, so make sure to watch this video till the end. As you can see right now, the projector is all set up and here's how the home screen on it looks like. First of all, let me tell you about the hardware. Pixaplay 17 is a native 1080p smart Android projector, and there's a lot I'll have to talk about the home screen actually. Keeping that aside, it's got around like 6000 lumens brightness, and here's how it looks like. As you can see right now in my living room, there are a couple of ceiling lights turned on because I should be visible in the video, right? While giving you like a video demo of the projection quality, I'll definitely switch off those lights for a better view and angle. Now apart from that, now we'll come to the operating system and talk about that in a moment. If you talk about the hardware, Projector has around like 1 GB RAM, 32 GB onboard storage, and is powered by a quad core CPU. And talking about the throw and the projection size, here I am actually quite impressed with this model. Projector is hardly around like 11 to 12 feet away from this wall right now, and as you can see, we are getting almost like 110 120 inches size, guys. Massive size you can see over here. And the brand says that it can throw a minimum of 38 inches and can go almost up to like 224 inches, which is like crazy, guys. So you'll definitely have like a home theater sort of feel at your home when you're using this model. Anyways, here's how the home screen on it looks like. As I've told you, it's like a smart projector and runs on Android version 9. Now this is not like a certified Android projector, guys, so there are a bit limitations, but you still have like plenty of features. So on the home screen, it kind of mimics that Android TV operating system. You've got a lot of recommended sort of content on the home screen, which keeps updating depending on your personal taste and stuff like that. And talking about the status panel, at the top you got a search panel. This is your subscriptions, and these are the projection settings. On the right side, you've got the Wi-Fi settings available. Projector supports dual band Wi-Fi. Both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz is supported, and Bluetooth 5.1 option is also there. So let me just quickly head over to the settings and show you. Going down, you've got an app store also, and guess what, it's an Android projector, right? So obviously you have Google Play Store also available, where you can download all your favorite apps and games. And in this particular app store, right, it's like custom app store where you have like TV design apps available. So yes, you can download a couple of favorite apps from here also, or you've got anyhow Play Store available now. So you've got Google Chrome available as well. So this is a pretty useful feature. And here you can actually look at the brightness of the projection, guys. Very bright, even after having a couple of lights present in our living room. Now imagine if I turn off all the lights, you can definitely feel that it's like a very bright projector, guys. So that is quite impressive. Moving on, Projector also supports screen mirroring for both iPhone and Android. You've got iOS cast available, Miracast as well, and these functions were very easy to use and they were working well. Apart from that, as I've told you, it's Android. You've got all your OTT related apps also, like pre-installed, built-in, out of the box. You got Netflix available, Google Play Store, Amazon Prime Video, YouTube, everything like good to go out of the box. Now I do have to mention, since it's not like certified Android operating system, right, you might not get like full quality Netflix movie watching experience. So the resolution will be a bit limited. So this is something you'll have to keep in mind. Let's just quickly head over to the general settings and see what's available. These are your Wi-Fi settings. As I've told you, both 2.4G and 5 GHz both are supported, and Wi-Fi performance is also pretty good. Bluetooth settings is available. These are your projection settings. From here you can select between upside down ceiling mode or your regular front desktop mode. Automatic keystone correction is there. Arey yaar, how did I forget? Main thing on this projector is it's got automatic keystone correction and autofocus function. There is nothing you need to do. Just plug in this projector, switch on the plug, and that's it. Good to go. No matter which angle, wherever you place it. It was such a hassle-free experience, guys, and the performance was also very good. As you can see, everything, the text on it looks crisp and clear. I didn't do anything. Projector itself auto-focused, and it was doing a very good job. And one more thing, what I've noticed is a lot of these affordable category, budget category projectors don't have corner-to-corner sharpness, but that was not the case over here. Zebronics has used a very good quality lens, I'd say, and you can find the same level of sharpness even if you go to the corners, guys. So this is something I do have to appreciate and hand it out to Zebronics. So that's it in the projection settings. You've got some language settings available, system update, and in the about section now you can check out the Android version. As I've told you, Android version 9, 1 GB RAM, 32 GB storage, out of which 25.95 GB is available to use. So that's it, our complete overview and walk around the home screen on this thing. And if you talk about the overall performance of the projector is very good. It's got quad-core CPU on board, and I didn't face any sorts of lags or stutters where opening, closing, transition of apps, everything was seamless over here, so no complaints from my side. So now what I'll do is I'll quickly open up YouTube, play some demo videos, and then just check out the projection quality, audio quality of the built-in speakers, and after that we'll talk about this. Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm like super excited and also like very happy. You can see the excitement on my face. So 2 days ago I told you, right, we'll be upgrading my entire gaming PC setup, and that is happening right now. All components have arrived, everything is like good to go, and we'll be doing the change in this video. So before we actually get started, right, I'd like to give a big thank you to MSI for sponsoring and helping me out with all the components, PC, monitors, everything. So coming to the PC, right, every time usually I only build my PCs and change everything in my setup. Okay, you guys saw those demos, right? What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below. Now, if you'd ask me, this particular projector was actually doing a good job for this price point. It's got like a native 1080p resolution, right? There's nothing less you can expect over here. Everything looks crisp and clear, good amount of detail, no matter what sort of content you're watching. Either it be videos from YouTube, or even if you're streaming movies from OTT related platforms, or just open up Google Chrome browser and browse any sort of website, you'll be like very happy and satisfied with the resolution and sharpness. And talking about the sharpness, at the beginning only I've told you Zebronics has used like a good quality lens, and you're getting like same level of sharpness at the central area, and even if you go to the extreme corners as well. So corner to corner sharpness is also pretty satisfactory for this price point. Colors are also nice, though I wouldn't say like super rich or vibrant. ठीक है colors I'd say, and contrast levels are also nice. But coming to brightness is like the main highlight, guys. It's offering almost up to like 6,000 lumens of brightness, and as you can see right now my ceiling lights are turned on in my living room, and yet it's like pretty visible. Now I'm pretty sure nobody would be watching projector like this. You will definitely use this projector in dark room only, and in dark room 6,000 lumens is like super bright, guys. You'll feel like having a home theater at your place. That is what I can say. And now coming to the audio quality, now this is, I'm being very honest and I'm telling you, usually I'm like not satisfied with the built-in speaker quality performance on most of the projectors, but that was not the case over here. This particular projector has like stereo built-in speakers powered by Dolby audio. It supports Dolby audio, and let me tell you, audio quality on the speakers is actually pretty impressive. I mean, the level of quality, the clarity, especially when you're playing some music on it, you'll be truly impressed in your first song only. That is what I can say. There's good amount of detail, instrument separation, the overall feel, it's like very good. Though one thing I have to say, it doesn't have that punchy bass. You can't expect bass over here, so that is the only thing. So overall audio clarity is nice. Audio output is also loud and sufficient. See, if you're a casual guy, you want to enjoy movies or you want to listen to songs on a projector for your home purpose, built-in speakers are more than enough. Now suppose if you want to connect some external speakers, yes, you do have an option for 3.5 aux, but that doesn't support Dolby audio, so you can't connect some Dolby speakers to this projector. Only the built-in speakers are Dolby certified, and there's no HDMI ARC support also available. So these are some things you'll have to keep in mind. Well, that's it, our video on the Zepp Pixaplay 17. It's a good product, I'd say, fully loaded with features, Android OS experience, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi is there, Dolby audio, and picture quality was also great. Only thing I felt is the projector is not that portable because of the size and weight. Also, I did notice a bit of fan noise and hot air blowing from the side, especially if you're like sitting close to the projector. But apart from that, everything else was fine. It costs around 24,999 rupees in India. Links will be in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it. If you all enjoyed watching the video, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.